Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Jörg, Freedom Lifestyles Academy, and today we're going to talk about how you can promote Forsage without showing your face, because that is something that I recommend if people want to join in, want to be in this new thing, this new way of making money, but you say, hey Dirk, I don't want to show my face. I don't want all my friends and family to know that I'm doing this, because, you know, I don't know why, but, you know, apparently there are people that want that. And okay, I respect that, and I was thinking, how can I help you if you want to promote Forsage but you're not sure how and what to do? Well, this is what you can do, and this is how I, want to help you today. So, but before we gonna start, because I recruited 147 new members in like 3 weeks. So if I go here, and here go to my team, as you can see here, 147, June 30, and if I scroll all the way down, it's now here 23, July 23. So roughly 3 weeks. So 147 divided by 21 is roughly 7, or exactly seven members, new members per day. So that is super cool. And how do you do this? How can you promote Forsage without showing your face? Well, first of all, it's very, what you should not do is send people straight to your Forsage link. So you go to forsage.io and just, get your link and send them to a website. That just doesn't work. So what you want to have is a funnel where people are being guided without you doing all the work. So what you can do is create my income club. And of course you can do your exact name, but you can also do a made up name. You don't have to do this. So meet your sponsor, it says here, so that's where your name would pop up. Hey, give yourself another name, maybe even another video or a picture if you really want to be incognito, but you don't have to do this because you do not have to share this with your friends and family. I do recommend to be out there and visible in a way, because people buy from people they know, like, and trust. So that is very important. But you can promote this without using, for example, your Facebook or giving it to your friends and family. By the way, if you're interested in learning more about this kind of stuff, what can create more freedom in your life, without maybe showing your face or being incognito, if that is something that you want, and also if you want to learn how to be out there with your face and go all out, then make sure to hit that subscribe button here on my YouTube channel, and tick the bell icon so you get notified the next time I upload a video. But today I really want to share with you how I did this 147 new members. What you can do is, if you click the first link in the description below this video, you will be able to, I show you exactly where you will be coming. You will be coming and you probably see this page or one of these pages. Just click it, and so for example here, you click it, watch this video, you think, but people can get started. Now you leave your name and email, so let's make me an email, and I go here, and then, or it's a similar kind of page, almost done. I do this, and now, I have to do traffic light, apparently. Let me see if this works. And taxis, is that a taxi? And yep, so here we are, and then you come on this page, and from here you watch this video, and then you just get started. Give yourself a name, your last name, your email. Create a new email address, create a fake name if you want that, or just your name, or just you shorten your last name, or you can do anything that you like here. So once you've done that, you come on this page. Then you can watch this video. You can set up income stream number 1, income stream number 2. I would recommend to set up both of them and really go and just set it up. And then from there you'll see what you can do. Now, the great thing of this is that you can do this for free. The great thing here is that you have your funnels. The exact same funnels I just showed you. Now, there are different ways you can promote this. So, for example, you can take this page, and you have to go through this training here. I really recommend you to grade this and set up your Aweber. AOever account, I think it's $20 per month. But even if you do not want to do this, you want to do this maybe later, first see if it works. The great thing of My Income Club is that they send emails on your behalf, or hard coded to you. So if somebody receives that email, the link that is in the email goes to you. It's hard coded to you. So if somebody clicks that link and decides to get started, and get started with, for example, income stream number 1, Forsage, they are connected to you. So that is the great thing. Even if you're not that experienced, they will be, because emailing is so important. It's building that relationship and doing that for you on your behalf. If you set up income stream number 2, this is a program from David Deckel, Profit Passports. David Deckel, I have to say, David Deckel is emailing your members on your behalf. So if they get started, you get the commission. Of course, if you set things up. So that is very important that you have done that. So this is how. But how did I do that? So for example, what can you do? I bought solo ads. For example, here on Udemy, if you click the link below this video, you go straight to Udemy, and what you can do then, I don't know, find sellers. So for example, you can do maximum price, 95 cents, got sales. Of course, you want to see if people got sales. So let's say up to 50% sales. Niche in crypto, or you could do crypto or marketing or any niche, mobile, social, health. Crypto is actually an interesting thing to do. You got sales, and then you can go up and down. Ratings 500 plus, last seen within 24 hours. Well, in this case, I just found 2, but maybe you don't want to spend 80 cents per lead. Maybe your budget, 55 cents. There's no that, so let me see, 40% sales. There's only this guy. It's 40% people that order traffic with this guy make sales. So, but it's pretty high, and it's 40 cents a lead. So this is pretty awesome. So I click on Glenn, and what you can do is send him a message, or I'm not sure, you have to have a paid account if you want to do that. So you don't have to do that really specifically. What I read here, I read the reviews. The seller has delivered each time. I'm using good solo. So and you see, everybody got sales. So that is pretty cool, and I'm pretty stoked about this. So cool. So now I know this, and then you say, okay, I want to spend $123. So I want to have 300 visitors, or I want to test drive 100 visitors. It's $40, 100 visitors to your link. Maybe you only want top tier, but it says, let me see, Langley, top 1, top 1, top 1. So this is super cool. And so yeah, cool. So you can do this only to, he has only top tier, so that is super cool. So what you want to do here is you paste your link in here. So what you want to do is you go to My Income Club, you go to funnels, and then you go generate tracking URL. You can do this, you can test, but this one really converts really great. So you take this one, and then for example you say here, Udemy, and then you say good, get link, and this link you copy, and then you go back to Udemy and you paste this link in here, right? So now you have this link, and then you can say, or maybe you want to have 500 visitors. I think 500 is a good level to really see what your link is doing. So yeah, see how that goes. But what you want to do is then you do what you feel comfortable with, and then you just go and add to chart. And now it's here, and then you can pay by PayPal or you can pay with card. This is what I recommend you to do, and this is what I recommend you to do on a daily basis. And it's never being delivered to be spread out. But this is a great way to really go and build your list and build your team here. Let me see if I still have open. So leads coming in every single day. Let me see. I don't know why it takes long, but it comes in. And if you watch this training here and you connect it to Aweber, I'm not sure if Aweber, let me see, Aweber, and I'm opening this up, and I log in. No, not this one. I have no idea why it always goes back there, but I just want to show you here. I deleted everything. So I got here 201 active members in Forsage, or this is actually my income club. 10 added today, 23 yesterday. So this is just continuing. And as you can see, everything is 0 because I use Kartra for my emailing. But mainly this is connected to Aweber, so that's hence why it's Aweber. So, but this is how you can attract strangers to your Forsage or to my income club, and this is how you can promote Forsage without showing your face. It is super simple. It is not, you don't have to be out there. You don't have to be scared that people can find you, or if you don't want to, you can easily get used to this. You can maybe even open a new Facebook account and just keep your friends out of there and just really promote it online like that. But if you really want to stay away, you don't have to be out there in that way. You can just buy traffic and send it to your link, and you build a business like this online. Super easy, right? So I hope this was helpful, guys. If you have any questions, drop them down below this video. If you want to create your income club, first link in the description below this video, and for Udemy, straight link. And I can recommend you to, I'm not recommending actually, it is about testing, but I'm gonna test this guy, and maybe in another video I'll keep you updated. And so that being said, guys, I hope this was helpful. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you soon. Yeah.